Hey guys, I'm Cybergod and today we are going to talk about Xiaomi Redmi Note 8 Pro. It comes with 64 megapixel camera, making it one of the two phones in the world with it. Not just that, but it also comes with quad camera setup of 64 megapixel ultra high resolution sensor, 8 megapixel ultra wide sensor, 2 megapixel macro sensor and 2 megapixel depth sensor with up to 10 times zoom, as well as a 20 megapixel front camera and all standard camera features. At its heart, it has a MediaTek flagship gaming processor Helio G90T that beats every other processor in its price range when it comes to gaming. It also comes with 6 to 8 gigs of RAM and 64 to 128 gigs of storage, which may not be huge, but it is definitely an upgrade from Note 7 Pro. When it comes to screen, it comes with a 6.5-inch FHD Plus IPS display, which isn't much of an upgrade, so yeah. It also comes with a 4500 mAh battery with 18-watt fast charger, which means more battery life and quicker charging, a welcome change of course. And also something important is 2 SIM slots with dedicated micro SD card slot, which means expandable storage as well as all the standard smartphone features. And now my impression on it. Well, it upgraded 3 of the 5 most important things in smartphone, which are camera, processor and battery. Whereas the other 2 being design and display did not see that much of an upgrade. So it is definitely huge. But is it huge enough to take the world by storm? Probably not. And also, as it is my impression, I will also state some of my own disappointments, which are the lack of in-display fingerprint sensor and the lack of AMOLED display. Features that are starting to show even in this price category. But seeing it lacking from Note 8 Pro, a phone made by the industry-leading company, is kind of an understandable yet a disappointment. And now that the video has ended, please like, share and subscribe if you like the video, and Alvida.